Jean Lassalle is a French politician who has represented the 4th constituency of the Pyrénées-Atlantiques department in the National Assembly since 2002. A former member of the Democratic movement, he was a candidate in the 2017 presidential election, in which he received 435,301 votes. Lassalle ran under the banner of Résistons, a party he founded and has led since he left the MoDem in 2016. Lassalle, who held the mayorship of the commune of Lerdy-aux-Itchier from 1977 to 2017, also sat on the General Council of Pyrénées-Atlantiques from 1982 to 2015, elected in the canton of Accas. He was one of the General Council's vice presidents from 1991 to 2001 under François Bayrou. Lassalle was elected to the National Assembly in the 2002 legislative election, where he represents Pyrénées-Atlantiques' 4th constituency. Since 2002, Lassalle has led the World Mountain People Association, an international network of mountain dwellers active in more than 70 countries. He also leads a hot burn cultural association. On 3 June 2003, Lassalle stood up in the National Assembly during questions to Minister of the Interior Nicolas Sarkozy and sang the Occitan anthem Si Canto in protest at an announcement by Sarkozy concerning the housing of 23 gendarmes tasked with guarding the Somport tunnel, which links France with Spain through the Pyrenees. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.